In a recent decision, a U.S. appeals court upheld a ban on assault-style weapons and high-capacity ammunition magazines in the state of Illinois. The ban was put in place after a tragic mass shooting in 2022 that resulted in the deaths of 7 people and numerous injuries in Chicago's Highland Park suburb. The court's ruling, which was made by a 3-judge panel of the 7th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, saw a 2-to-1 vote in favor of upholding the ban. The ban, supported by the Democratic Party, prohibits the sale and distribution of various types of high-powered semi-automatic assault weapons, including popular rifles like the Alaska 47 and Arkansas 15, as well as large-capacity magazines. Opponents of the ban argued that it violated the Second Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which guarantees the right of individuals to keep and bear arms. However, the appellate panel determined that Second Amendment rights, like other constitutionally protected freedoms, are subject to certain limits that can be imposed by the government. In their decision, the judges cited a U.S. Supreme Court opinion from last year that struck down New York State's limits on carrying concealed handguns outside the home. The Supreme Court's conservative majority established a new legal test for gun restrictions, stating that they must be consistent with this nation's historical tradition of firearm regulation in order to be considered valid. Judge Wood was joined by Judge Frank Easterbrook in the majority opinion, while Judge Michael Brennan dissented. This decision comes after the Illinois Supreme Court, in a separate case, upheld the assault weapons ban in August. The state court rejected arguments that the ban violated the state constitution by not applying it equally to all citizens. Similarly, the 9th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals recently ruled to keep California's assault weapons ban in place while the state attorney general appeals a lower court decision that declared the 30-year-old measure unconstitutional. The debate over gun control continues to be a contentious issue in the United States, with differing opinions on how to balance Second Amendment rights with public safety concerns. The recent rulings in Illinois and California highlight the ongoing legal battles surrounding these issues.